everyone understood how to pass a variable, a 1D array, a 2D array to a function. Now it's the time for how to pass a string to a function, and this becomes very much easier once we understand what happened in the previous lectures. As already we know what a string is. String is a 1D character array. So it can be more of a 1D, general 1D arrays. But the one thing we have to understand here is, here we need not send the size of an array. Now what happens here is, just we know that what we call it as a string is a character array. So rather than writing int square brackets, we have to mention it to be a char square brackets or the subscript. So now I am writing a function called display that has the capacity or the code to display a string. Now, and what am I passing as a to a parameter is a string, and while coming back it is returning nothing. Now I am going to write the main function. So here I have declared a string called str of maximum size 20. As you all know, I am asking the user to enter a string. We know that getAs function is used for reading a string from the keyboard even with white spaces. Now suppose I would like to enter hello world. So this is the string I would like to store in str. That is done. We know that we can use putAs function to print the string onto the output screen. That can be done now using functions. Now our main task is how to pass it to the function, not how you have to read and how you have to print the string. Now I am using the already declared function, that is display, and I am passing that string str to it as parameter. Now what happens as soon as a function call happens, the control transfers to the function definition. Here the function definition is, and here name string is already ready for holding this string. Now what happens? String you entered is putAs of names. Why? Because I have passed str. Now name has taken that value hello world, and you will print that hello world using name. That's it, and we'll close the calling function. After the called function is executed, we will go back to the calling function, and there is no line to get executed, and we are going to stop the execution.